Hi everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to open the kit that Jen made me in this episode of Crafting with Friends. I'm going to be working with Jenn Chapman, and you can find her as Chappy Plans, and I'm going to have her socials linked below. And we decided to do like a holiday edition of this, and I sent her my kit and she sent me hers. Oh, and she sent my girls some items. It is so cute. And my daughters love Pusheen. My little one loves cats. So cute. Thank you, Jen. Ooh, these are cool. Yeah, we have enough Pusheen plushies to build our own army. What would they fight? I don't know. And also blankets. Oh, this is so cute. So pretty. And I love rainbows. Ooh, this is so pretty. My daughter does make a lot of art. She loves doing art, the little one. Oh, and this pouch is really cute too. There we go. I was like, no, I'm gonna ruin it. Okay, so, oops. Ooh, cute. This is gonna get stolen by one of the girls, isn't it? But I do love this brand, and I love candy cane. Oh, yeah. Let it go. So pretty. Oh, I love this. This is so pretty. I just don't go to Hobby Lobby, and I just found out, I've been here for a few years, and I just found out that there was one pretty near our house, and I felt so dumb, but hey. And I love these, love the colors, because everything that I do is like super girly and bright and happy. Oh, I love these, and they have numbers. Yay! You know my issue with numbers. Oh, these are so pretty. This is so cute, and you can touch it. This I love. Kind of look like frosting for cookies. Okay. Ooh, all of this is so awesome. I do love ink, and stays on ink. I have the black one, but I do love, oh, I love this red. I love to use it on stamping on photos, so you'll see that. Oh, this is so cute. A pen. I love it. I've seen people that put it like on the spine of the album. That kind of looks pretty cool, but I'm a little afraid. Oops. Oh, these are so cute. I was kind of hoping to find something like this in my stash, and I didn't, because I put away rats a while back when like they kind of went, you know, they fell from the view of people. They kind of like, I don't know, people like ignore them for a while. But now with December Daily, you can make like little, like if you put, by the way, this is really awesome, a tag, and you can put many, and then you put a brand, and you can do like many little cards. These are pretty cool, and for stamping. And I think this is the perfect size for the seals of Everyday Explorers. Yeah, you see? You can maybe like embellish it a little bit. So cute. I love these circle ones, and you can put like a photo. And maybe have an idea for this, for the ornaments. When she sent washi, you guys know I love washi, and it's a miracle I don't have any of these. Oh my god, they're so pretty. They're so cute. Love it. Oh, this is so cool. I love these. And my Michaels never has cool like scrapbooking stuff like this. So thank you, Jen, because Michaels, rude. Oh, this is pretty awesome. I love this. I actually I'm working on my December Daily 2021. So this is pretty awesome for the December Daily 2022. And I ordered the Ali Edwards Santa album, so I'm hoping to get it. These were so cute. You see my Michaels, and I went to Michaels, you saw my last haul, a little while back, and they didn't have anything like this. Ooh, this is cute. I didn't see this one. I have the one with snowflakes, but not this one. I love this, and I can add this to like my my traditional colors sequin mix. And these are love. Oh wait, are these just numbers? Oh my god, yes. Are they? Yes. I love numbers, you guys. I think it's because they don't add them enough. I don't know why. It's just rude. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. I wonder if I could make a few of these. This is pretty cool. I'm really excited about this little hat pin. Okay. I love rainbow colors. I can also use this. I know that we're using these for December Daily, but I have my book journal and I have to do like a little pride spread, so this would work perfect for that. I love these Santas. They're so cute. Wait, let me not confuse you with the other stickers behind. And the little trees and the snowman. They're all so cute. Who makes these? Is this Hobby Lobby too? Yeah, Hobby Lobby. Aww. And this is so cute. It's just like, looks like copper. It's like a textured, I don't know what kind of material this is, but it's really cool. And it has like lots of little patterns you can see there. And different little gingerbread man. Oh, this is so cute. And we actually got an inflatable that it's like Santa in a car. So that would be cool for that. Oh, these are so pretty. I love this. And I always take a picture with my mug. And when I do, yes, numbers. I love this color, this font. Okay, focus. When I do Hot Cocoa Day with the girls, I always take a picture. I have ADD right now. But I love these, and I love how shiny they are. They're so pretty. And these, you see, my Michaels didn't have anything like this either. Michaels, what's up with that? And it has numbers. Yes. And I love this gold. I think Ali Edwards had something similar. But I usually like don't, if I'm not gonna make like a big purchase, I really don't shop from Ali Edwards. The only thing I got in my last purchase was the album. And I also got class. I think I got Product Play 2019. I love these stickers. So, what, did I show these? And I can also heat emboss these, and I can color them with alcohol markers or permanent markers. Oh, and I got the texture paste too, so I can put like part of it like cover in snow. Okay, so I don't mix anything. Oh, I love these die cuts already because I see a lot of bright colors. Let's see if I can find a little box. Okay, so I found this. And I recognize a few of these. I think they're pretty, not pretty, what was it? Pink Fresh Studio. Love this, and I can like layer this with a label or stamp on it. Real cute. I love these colors. Oh, that's so pretty. Let me go a little closer. Cute. Oh, I do love these. And I love the colors too. Lots of pink. It's like she knows me. A hug in a mug. That's cute. holiday tradition. I just want to drink hot cocoa and watch Christmas movies. Me too, little Dicot. Me too. Just one more cookie. These are really cute. The best time of the year. Ready for a silent night. And what I like of Pinkfish Studio is that a lot of their lines are designed by in a creative bubble. Oh, this is cute. You can put ribbon through it and put like a little insert in an envelope. So yeah, they're designed by in a creative bubble, so it matches a lot of what I have. Oh, that's so pretty. Those snowflakes. Maybe I can draw something like that on Procreate. Aww. It's not what's under the Christmas tree that matters, it's who's around it. So much love. Make merry. Oh, this is cute. I love the tree. Get cozy. Oh, this is cute. And there was a page that Ali Edward did in that product play that I just purchased. I want to say it's the 4th, and it's in 2019 that she has like a layout with a bunch of rectangles. That would be cute for that. Holly Jolly. Ooh. Oh, look at this house. It's so cute. I love it. There's no present like the moment. Aw. That's cute. Love these. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Sparkle and shine. 'Tis the season. Merry everything and happy always. Okay, let's see if I can clean up a little bit. I always have a mess. I open things and then they become a mess. Oh, this is pretty cool. Wait. Is it like rubber or... Oh, there's a few of them. Oh, this could be cute for like the movie layout. Last year we didn't watch that many new movies. My daughter made a little list for me. Oh, this is really cute. You guys know my love for labels, so super cute. And I can stamp on here. I can use these for dates, and this for journaling. I love to journal real small, and these would be pretty cool for stamping. I don't know if you can see them, but there's like little tags and stickers and flags. Hopefully you can kind of catch it. It's hard because it's all white, and I looks like that paper kind of like from online labels, but not here, not really, or you can like stamp, because yeah, oh, it's a really thick material too. I like that. Love it. Or you can put it back to back and create like a little flap. I'm sorry, the ideas are like speaking to me. Beginnings. The story on how this whole thing began. Oh, I love that. That's so cool. I love that paper. This one, it's about beginnings and hello, and I love Ali Edwards' handwriting. So cute. Lots of green, and I do use a lot of blue and pink and yellow. Super cute. Oh, I could cut a tree with this paper. That would look so cute. So I don't know why I instantly saw a tree, but forgive my brain. It's hungry and caffeine less. I need to like start drinking. Actually, I drank my coffee. Maybe I'm just hungry. And this is some paper. Oh, this is really pretty. Ooh, I love this one for like a gift. Merry days ahead. Oh, I love, maybe I can punch a few of these like with a circle punch. I'm not gonna fussy cut. Ooh, I love this because I'm not a fussy cutting kind of person. Ooh, this is so pretty. I think I saw this last year and I was tempted and I was like, no, you already bought a few things, so do not get the pink Fresh Studio. Or I think it was something else that I needed to get. Oh, this is cute. And I was like, no, pick one and then stick to that one. Okay. And then the cards. Oh, and this is cool for, oh, they're recipe cards. That's so cool. I always include a recipe card in my, actually at least one recipe. I always want to try one new cookie recipe. So if you have a link to a really good cookie recipe, please leave it below so I can try one new cookie this year. And when I do this, what I do is that the new cookie of the year gets the recipe written in the December daily album. So that was the whole thing. It was so pretty, Jen. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. I have so many ideas. I'm gonna have to listen to the video because I forgot all of them. but I loved it. Okay, I always pick a favorite thing. Oh my god, I don't know. I really love the washi, but I also, okay, I'll pick one favorite washi. Two favorite, three. Okay, I really like the one with the lights because I don't have anything like that. So I'm gonna pick that as my favorite washi. But I also really like the snowflakes, and I really like this, and I like the little hat. I thought it was so cute. Maybe I can put it for like the Christmas letters or to close something. I don't know. We'll see. Me and my brain will brain. I can't even talk. Me and my brain will talk it out and figure it out and come back with a project soon. So make sure you go watch Jen's video opening my kit. I made it, oops, with so much love. I'm so excited. So thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the actual project. Okay. So yeah, I already said have a good day. I really want you to have a good day. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.